but we'll get to that later. But the stock that is in focus right now, and that is our Midcap Spotlight segment, is VST Industries. And Mangalam is joining in to tell us more about the stock. 4% equity change hands there. Mangalam, tell us more.
Well, if you just take a look at the intraday chart of the VST Industries stock, you would see that for most part of the day, it was absolutely flat. And suddenly, during midday, it saw a big spike. And not only a big spike, the spike led it to a 20% upper circuit as well. Why is that? Because the stock is buzzing on huge volumes, nearly 3 times 10-day average. And that's not all. The large trades that took place on the BSE were at around 3,390 odd rupees. From there itself, we've seen a near 1,000 rupee bump up on the stock price. 4% equity has changed hands, and that's not all. Again, the stock has been locked in upper circuit and it's hit a fresh 52-week high in today's trading session too. What does the company do? It basically manufactures and sells cigarettes under the Charms, Charminar, as well as Wazir, etc. brands as well. A debt-free company has decent cash on its book, but importantly, over the last few quarters, if you notice, the company's cigarette volumes have been underperforming the largest player in the industry, which is ITC. So it's been losing market share to other players as well. If you just take a look at the way, the volume growth of VST Industries has been, or rather volume decline for the last 3 quarters has been, compare that to ITC, you would see that ITC obviously is head and shoulders above VST Industries. So going forward, improvement in volumes is something that we'll be watching out for. But what could be the trigger going forward as well for VST Industries? Remember, if you just look at their shareholding pattern, 4.76% is held by this entity called Derive Trading, 25.95% held by Bright Star Investment. What's important about these entities that hold stake in the company? They belong to investor Radha Kishan Damani. So today's bulk deal, the participants of that and what happens to the fundamentals of the company going forward are extremely crucial to watch out for.
Okay, that's definitely the spotlight of the day. Thank you so much, Mangalam, for joining us with what really took place here. Fundamentally tied as well. So 20% higher on VST Industries right now. We'll do one thing.